The need for a project charter arises from the need to formally authorize a project and provide a clear and concise overview of the project objectives, stakeholders, and deliverables. A project charter serves as a foundation for the project, providing a clear and concise overview of project's purpose and objectives, as well as the roles and responsibilities of project stakeholders. The project charter is a document that is created at the beginning of the project, typically by the project sponsor or a representative from the project's steering committee, with input from other key stakeholders such as the project manager, project team members, and subject matter experts. The project charter typically includes the following information: project name and purpose, project objectives and deliverables, project scope, including what is included in as part of the project and what is to be excluded or not to be included. Project schedule, including the start and end date for the project. Then we have the project budget, including estimated costs and sources of funding. Roles and responsibilities of project stakeholders, including the project manager, project team members, and project sponsor. Project risks and assumptions. The project charter is reviewed and approved by the project sponsor and other key stakeholders such as the project manager and project team members. Once the project charter is approved, it serves as the foundation for the project, providing a clear and concise overview of the project's purpose and objectives, as well as the roles and responsibilities of project stakeholders. The project charter is also a living document that should be reviewed and updated throughout the project as needed. For example, if the project scope changes, the project charter should be updated to reflect the new scope. If new risks or assumptions are identified, they should be added to the project charter. The project charter is an essential document for project managers as it serves as a guide for the project, providing a clear and concise overview of project's purpose and objectives, as well as the roles and responsibilities of the project stakeholders. It helps project managers to ensure that the project stays on track and achieves its goals by keeping the project aligned with the project's objectives and deliverables. It also helps project managers to manage the project scope, schedule, and budget, and to identify and manage project risks and assumptions. The project charter also serves as a communication tool, providing stakeholders with a clear and concise overview of project's purpose and objectives, and helping to ensure that everyone is working towards the same end. In addition to its use within the project team, the project charter can also be used as a tool for communication and alignment with the departments and stakeholders. For example, it can be shared with executives and other key stakeholders to ensure that they are aware of the project's goals and objectives and that they are supportive of the project. See you in the next lecture.